For school leaders, what we contend is that there's a series of conditions that need to be in place in order for teachers to work in an environment, an institutional environment that allows them to do the right thing, that's set up to permit them and to encourage them to do the right things by way of classroom assessment. So what we've done is put together a district level self-analysis of the extent to which these conditions are in place. And we expect school leaders, we try to help school leaders do careful district level self-analyses to see if these things are in place. And by understanding how to do that self-analysis, we develop a leadership version of assessment literacy. So, for example, we want them to build balanced assessment systems. They become more productive instructional leaders when they encourage and support and build balanced assessment systems. We want them to continue to refine their achievement expectations. We want them to set up conditions that require and expect and support the development of accurate assessments, so that in those three, those who need data to inform instructional decisions have access to accurate information. Instructional leadership is about ensuring the quality of the evidence that's being used. And then we want them also to set up conditions that allow us to use that assessment, process and its results productively. So we want them to set up conditions that allow teachers to turn the learners into assessors during their learning, that rely extensively on descriptive feedback, increased descriptive feedback, reduced judgmental feedback. We want them to set up communication systems that differentiate between communication for formative to support learning and communication for summative to verify learning purposes. All of these are things that need to be influenced at the district level, and that requires an assessment literate instructional leadership team putting in place the essential conditions that allow teachers to do the right thing from an assessment point of view.